Hi Sonal, I've made you the host, so you can start at 2 o'clock or once you have sufficient students.
All right. Thank you, Natasha.
Thanks, Sonal.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, Bikash. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon, Binay, Sushmita, Surjo, and others, Ayush. So we'll just start in another 5 minutes. Let's wait for others also to join in. Today we are just logging a little early. So let's wait for another 2-3 minutes and then we'll start. Okay. Very good afternoon. And others, Ayush. So we'll just start. Very good afternoon, Binay, Sushmita, Surjo, and others. So we'll just start in another 5 minutes. Let's wait for others also to join in. So that we are just logging a little early. So let's wait for another 2-3 minutes and then we'll start. Okay. Very good afternoon. All right, people. So we'll start now. It's 2 o'clock and I can see others are also joining in now. So once again, good afternoon. I will say greetings of the day. Hello, Eric. Hi, Tasnia. So you were there on YouTube, I think, Tasnia. Today you joined on Zoom. Wonderful. All right. So morning, Jennifer. I did not know what part of the day is there at your end. Good to see your message. Good to see you back, people. And right, Binay is saying anyone can guess topic of today. Did I mention any topic day before yesterday? Did I mention any topic day before yesterday? People, those who are on Zoom can reply quickly. Did I mention? Vikash, Flywell, Nishat, Sip also joined here. No, yeah, as far as I remember, I haven't. So before we start another topic, today will be another topic, a new topic, a easiest one. And you will see how logic will come into picture. Many of the questions you can solve purely by logic. Okay, so I'll let you know the name of the topic after a while. Now, another thing is that we have discussed so far 3 topics, right? We have discussed numbers, we have discussed percentages, and we have discussed blood relations. So, do you people have any doubt in all this? Like, I remember one question I have got from one of you, I don't know from who. So, that was based on numbers. So, we do have plans of going for revisions of all these topics very near future. So, that day I'll take that question. I just forgot to put it into PPT today. And when I'm asking this, I remember that. So, back in the mind, I had this thought that whenever we will be doing revision of all those topics, I will take that question for sure. So, did you have any doubts so far? Yeah, Binay, I will see the chat also. So, would be great if you people are replying to the questions rather
Ma'am,
than talking something else, like what you were doing yesterday. So, yeah.
ma'am, I want class on the number system.
So, because you can go through the video which is available on YouTube.
Okay,
All
thank you,
right.
ma'am. Thank
Just
you.
go through that. And in case if you have any doubt, you can discuss it on Monday. And coming Monday, we will do one small topic. And after that, we will do revision again. So we will do revision of percentages, numbers, blood relation, and one more topic what we are doing today.
Yeah, thank you,
All
ma'am.
right. Okay. So Vinay, we will not continue percentage because we are done with percentages, and now we will do it in again another revision class. So far, nobody replied. If they have any confusion, if they have any doubts so far, so I'll say practice it because tomorrow you have holiday. Friday is a holiday, right? And Sunday is also kind of it is a holiday for you. So whatever the class timings are there, like it is from 2 to 4, 2 hours. So instead of sitting for 2 hours, make sure that that this particular time, whenever you are attending classes daily, so in that time when you have holiday, that is on Friday and Sunday, you are making sure that at least 1 hour, instead of going 2 hours, if you can go for 2 hours, wonderful. But if you cannot, then at least 1 hour you are going back through all those topics. If you want to go through the videos, you can go through the videos. Or if you want to practice more, because I have already given you some website names, so practice more and more question from there. All right. Okay, so let me know in case if you have any doubt. We will do it day of, that's on Monday we will do it. Saturday we will be continuing today's topic, that's for the more practice. So today's topic is averages and mixture and allegation. All right, so let's start then. So what do you mean by averages? Come on, what do you mean by averages? Let me go full screen. Yeah, what do you mean by averages? Bikash, Jennifer, Eric, please reply. Nishat. Asif, Flywell, any idea? Tasnia? Okay, come on, people. I hope you can hear me, right? Can anyone reply from Zoom? If they can hear me? If I am audible, please reply.
Yeah,
Yes,
audible, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, so but when I'm asking question, that time I'm not audible. It looks like I'm not audible, right? Okay. All right. So, Aditya, good afternoon. Good to see you all. Okay. So, averages, I hope you know this. Averages is equal to what? Sum of the total by sum of the total by total sum of the total observation, I must say. Observation by total observation, that is how many observations were there. Okay, people, I want you to stay focused today, all right, because today's topic is gonna be a purely logical. There are formulas, but if you will do with logic, it will become very, very, very simple. So one kind request to each and everyone, please stay focused. If you will miss it, then really to apply these shortcuts would be, you will be finding it very difficult. So average is sum of the total observation upon total observation. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 numbers, right? So what is the average? Average will be equal to what? Sum of the total observation, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by total number of observation. How many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5, right? So what will be the answer this time?
3.
3, right? So it is 15 by 5. 15 by 5 is equal to 3. So you got 3 as the answer. Okay. Now, another thing. Oh, what is average in other way around? If you look at, average is nothing but equal distribution. Okay. Average is equal distribution. How? Let's look at it. See, a very simple one, people. Again, please focus. So there are like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. These 5 numbers. What is the average for this? What is the average? We have already calculated.
3.
3 is the average, right? So when 3 is the average, what I'll do, I'll put 3 everywhere. What I'm trying to tell you, let's say that there are 5 people. One person has 1 rupee, another person has 2 rupee, third person has 3 rupees, fourth person has 4 rupees, and fifth person has 5 rupees. All right. So I will say that average is 3. It means that everyone will have 3, 3, 3. Now, how this it works? Like I was telling you, this is what distribution. So this 4, the person who has 4 rupee, he will give 1 to 2 so that his amount will become 3 and his amount will also become 3. Okay. Another one. The one who has 5, the one who has 5 is giving 2 to this person who has 1 rupee so that this person will have 3 rupees and this person also have 3 rupees. Did you understand, people? All right. So what is happening? 3 is 3. 2 plus 1 will give me 3. 1 plus 2 will give me 3. 4 minus 1 will give me 3. 5 minus 2 will give me 3. All right. 1 minute. Just a moment. Okay. Sorry. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3, not neither plus 1 nor minus 1 is 3. 0. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, right? So this is what called distribution. Now you see this part. Okay. Minus 2 plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So is it giving you like +2 and -2 will get cancelled, +1 and -1 will get cancelled, and at the end you have 0. If at the end you are getting 0, this we call neutralization. We will call it as neutralization. This is my own terminology. So we will go with this neutralization. We will call this method whenever we are doing +2, +1, -1 something, we will call it as neutralization. All right. So this one +2 plus -2 will get cancelled, +1 -1 will get cancelled, and the 0. So when you look at this, if at the end you're getting 0, it means that number, whatever you have assumed, that's your average. So 3 is your average, and that is absolutely right. I hope it is little clear. Let's take one more example so that it will become crystal clear. Okay, let me take easy one only. As of now, 12, 15, and 21. All right, what else I should take? 12, 15, 21. Then 21 into 5 is how much? 21 into 5 is 105. So I should get add as 105. So 21, 15, 12. 2 plus 5, 7. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. And this is 114, 48. 105 minus 48. I'm just taking some good numbers so that I can explain, and then I will take some bad number also. Right, 105 minus 48, 15 minus 8, 7, 9 minus 4, 3, and this is 9 minus 4 is 5, 57. So I'll take 25 and 27. All right. So one number is 25 and another number is 32. Okay, fine. Can you calculate average of this number quickly? Quickly tell me the answer for this. Though I know what is the average because from the average I have gone to the question. But
21, ma'am.
21, correct,
Yeah.
Vikash?
Thank
I
you.
hope we are not making mistake. Yeah, so just add quickly. 2 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9. Sorry, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 carry forward. 3, 2, 5, 2, 7 plus 3, 105. 105 divided by 5 is giving you 21. Now, understand people. Let's say, as of now I know, but let's say that I don't know the average. So I'll choose one number out of this. I'll choose one number out of these 5 numbers. So let's say I have chosen 21. So what I'll do, I'll write 21 everywhere. I'll write 21 everywhere. 21 minus 21 is 0. Now 12 minus 21 is equal to what? 12 minus 21. Can I say minus 9? Right? 12 minus 21 is minus 9. 15 minus 21 is minus 6. Okay, 15 minus 21 is minus 6. 25 minus 21 is plus 4. This sign does matter. In neutralization, this sign does matter. So 25 minus 21 is 4, plus 4. And 32 minus 21 is plus 11. Yes, no? Right? So now when you add all this, when you will add all this, you will get what? Minus 9, minus 6, plus 0, plus 4, plus 11. So basically you are getting 0 at the end. If it is 0, it means that 21, whatever number you have assumed, this is your average. The average is 21. Okay. Now I'm moving to one another step or one level up. 12, 15, 21, 25, 32. What if somebody doesn't know what is the average, and that person is taking, I'll take 25 as the assumption that 25 is the average. Now see what will happen. Focus people. 25 minus 25 is 0. 12 minus 25 is how much? 12 minus 25 is minus 13. All right. Where did I go? 1 minute. 12 minus 25 is minus 13. 15 minus 25 is minus 10. 21 minus 25. 21 minus 25 is equal to how much?
-4.
-4.
Minus 4, right? So this is minus 4. 32 minus 25 is equal to plus 7.
Yeah.
This is equal to plus 7 now, right? So now minus 13 minus 10 minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 27, minus 13, minus 10, minus 4. Minus 13 minus 10 minus 23, minus 23 minus 4 is minus 27, plus 0 plus 7. So basically this part will give you minus 20. All of you understood so far? This gave you minus 20. Is it giving you 0 in this neutralization? Like here we were getting 0. Are we getting 0 here? No, we
No,
are
ma'am.
not getting 0 here. What we are getting is we are getting 20. All right. We are getting 20. So now this, remember this sign as of now, like ignore the sign as of now. We'll come back to this sign little later. Look at this 20. Now this 20 extra we have. We have this 20 extra. All right. So this 20 extra need to be divided amongst how many number? How many numbers are here? 5 number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 20 needs to be distributed amongst 5. So every number will get how much? Every number will get how much? If 20 is distributed amongst 5, every
4.
number will get how much? 4, right? So this is 4. And if I'll add minus sign to it, it will become minus 4. Right? So now this was my assumed average, which was not correct average, because had it been correct, I would have got 0 here. But since I am not getting 0, I am getting 20 extra. So this 20, whatever extra, that needs to be divided amongst these 5 numbers, which is giving me minus 4. 25 minus 4 is equal to what? 21. Your answer is same. I hope it is clear. What we are doing, we have assumed one number out of this, and I assume that is the average, and I'm subtracting. I'm seeing how far it is from these numbers. So what I got to know that 12 is 13 places far, 15 is 10 places far, 21 is 4 places far, 32 is plus 7 places far. Like this, when I added all this, I got 20 extra. And with minus sign. So minus 20 needs to be divided amongst 5 numbers. So you will get minus 4. 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. Did you understand? Can you reply, people? Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Flywell.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, let's take one more example and then I'll tell you. Thank you, Saloni. You joined this. Cool. And please stay focused today, Saloni. So let's say Saloni wants to take 15. Saloni is saying, why to take 21? I'll take 15. So if Saloni wants to take 15, we cannot deny her. We cannot say that, no, you cannot take 15. So all right, we'll do the same method. We have chosen this time our average is what? 15. Our assumed average is 15. So 15 minus 15 is 0. This is equal to 0. 12 minus 15 minus 3. 21 minus 15 plus 6. 25 minus 15 plus 10. 32 minus 15 is equal to plus 17. Fair enough? Plus 17. Again, when I look at this, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 7 plus 17 is equal to what? Minus 3 plus 6 is minus 3. Plus 3. Minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. Plus 3 plus 10 is plus 13. Plus 17 is equal to 30. You got 30 here. So when you add all this, you are getting plus 30. So this 30 is extra. Now this 30 extra needs to be divided amongst how many numbers? Reply quickly. This 30 needs to be divided amongst how many numbers?
5 number.
5.
5 numbers. So 30 by 5. 30 by 5 is equal to what?
6.
6. It means that everywhere 6 will get added up. 30 by 5 is giving me 6. What was my assumed average? My assumed average was 15. But this time it is plus 6. So 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. So my answer is still same, 21. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
cool. Thank you, people, for acknowledging. Now, the thing is that when they have given you 5 number and you have to find out average, you can use this method. But in case if you don't remember this method, I'll suggest go with this. All right. Try to understand. If you will solve few questions like today at the end of the class, I'm pretty sure you will be very pro in this. All right. You will understand it so well because we will be solving many questions on that. So you can do with either method. Either you can add it up and divide it by total number. There the calculation will be more. Here you just have to assume and the calculations will be smaller. Fine. So I hope that's clear. Now let's move to another one. Okay. So now moving to few direct types of questions. Let's again understand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was the average? What's the average?
3.
Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What is the average?
6 maybe.
6, maybe. Okay, 6 it is. Now, if I take 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So the average is 9, right? Okay. And if I take 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, sorry. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then what is the average?
15.
15. All right. Okay. So now, if someone has any background noise, please mute yourself. Let's respect each and everyone present in the room and those who are not in the room also. Those who are available on YouTube, let's respect them too. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, it's 15. Now, what is the average for this one? Let me finish the series first, okay? Don't get emotional and jump to the answer. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, so on up to 171. What is the average now? Any idea? Mahamudul, you are solving good. Ammar, today is your first class apparently. Felix, I think yours is also first class. So I'm giving YouTube link in case if you want to join, not YouTube link, Zoom link. In case anybody wants to join, can join. Okay, got the answer? No, right, this time? What's the answer this time? Any idea? Any idea?
19 maybe.
90.
90, yeah.
Oh, cool. Nice. Even Aditya Jha got the answer. Okay. So 171. Right. 90 is the answer. Super people. Good. Vinay. Awesome. How you got Bikash as you're talking? So tell me how you got 90. What you did?
Ma'am, by using geometric method. I mean,
Arithmetic method, you mean to say?
Yeah.
Like first term, because
Second
it's
term.
all in arithmetic progression. That is the
Yeah,
case?
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Super. Very good. So wonderful notice. So good point. So like, yes, what Bikash and I think Aditya and Binay, Mahmudal, everyone got the same answer. Wonderful people. So you would have got the answer with the similar logic because it is all what? Arithmetic progression. This is also arithmetic progression because everywhere the difference is of 2. This is also arithmetic progression because the difference is 2, 2, 2, 2. No. 3, 3, 3, 3. Everywhere the difference is 3. Here the difference is 5. So here the difference is what? 9. Everywhere the difference is 9. Common difference is 9. So yeah, whenever the difference is common, whenever the series is an AP series, right? What we do, we take first term and last term and divided by 2. So 1 plus 5 by 2, you will get the average. First term and last term, that is 10 plus 2 by 2, you will get the average. First term and last term, 3 plus 15 by 2, you will get 9. First term and last term, 5 plus 25, 30 by 2 is equal to 15. First term plus last term. Awesome, people. 9 plus 171, 180. 180 by 2 is equal to 90. Wonderful. N plus 1 by 2, right? Super. You know this, right? Summation of n terms, if it is in arithmetic progression, is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So if I bring this n in denominator, summation of n by n, so this becomes average. That is total number, summation of total number plus, sum of the total number of observation divided by n. So we also used to take the number in middle of its arithmetic progression, right? So Abu, what is happening here is the terms are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is odd number of terms. That's why the middle term can be your answer if it is arithmetic progression. Fair enough, Abu. But if like here, I have taken all the terms as odd number. Even this is odd one, right? But if it is even, then too, it's like fine. If it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what is the average? You will take 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 by 2. Your answer is 3.5. Logic will remain same. This is the average, 3.5. All right. Okay, so now this is the last time I'm sending the link of the Zoom. Those who ever want to join it. Otherwise, I feel like maybe for time pass you are asking for link. But yeah, I feel like if you really want to join session on Zoom, I have posted the link. Please join. Right? This is like 5th or 6th time I'm posting it. So please pay attention and join it. So I hope this is clear, right? Okay, let's move to another concept now. Eric, is that clear? Eric, Patricia, Flywell?
Yeah, that's okay, Mom.
Okay. Patricia, can you just reply quickly? Patricia. Okay, super. Wonder. Thank you, Wonder. All right, so let's move on. So this is another concept. If the series is in arithmetic progression, we just have to take first term and last term and divide it by 2. Super. All right, next one. Now, 1 minute. Okay, so now if the term is given, what is the term given? Right, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. What is the average? What is the average? Come on. What is the average? 12 is the average, right? If I take 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, what's the average?
24.
24. All right. If I take 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, what is the average?
14.
14. All right. Okay, one more. This is done. This is done. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And you know that average is what? 6. Right?
Yeah.
One last one I'll take. 3, 7, 11, 15, and this is 19. And the average is what?
11.
11. Okay. Now I want one thing what you have noticed here, that every series is what? Arithmetic progression. Yeah. So maybe you would have done the same thing. First term plus last term divide by 2. First term plus last term divide by 2. Right. But now here I want to explain you something else. So that is, let's say this is your base series. Focus, people. This is your base series. All right. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is your base series. What is the average you got? 12. Now let's say each number in the series is multiplied by 2. each number in the series is multiplied by 2. And for a while, I don't know this number. But what I know that when this series is multiplied by 2, what will be new average? So what will happen to new average? The new average will also get multiplied by 2. So new average is 24. And the series will be what? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Are you getting my point? Once again, this is my base series. In base series, I have added 2. I have added 2 everywhere. If I have added 2 everywhere, so what will be my new average? My new average will be old average plus 2. Old average plus 2. Did you understand? Once again,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is base series.
Yes.
From base series, we are subtracting 1. From base series, we are subtracting 1 so that we are getting 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. All right. From base series, we have subtracted 1 so that we are getting 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. So what will be your new average? Your new average will be equal to what? Old average minus 1. Whatever operation we are using, old average plus that operation minus that operation, or whatever is that operation. So old average is 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. Like this one, I divided it by 2. Base series, I divided by 2. So what happened to my new average? My new average also got divided by 2. 12 also got divided by 2. Is that clear? Is that
Yes.
clear? Okay, somebody is saying again. So let's say there is a series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on up to n, and the average is let's say 24. Average is 24. Fine, Istiak. I am repeating for you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is base series, and the average is 24. Average of this series is 24. Now, if 3 is added to each term, what is the new average? So now I don't know this n here, but I know old average is 24. What is happening? 3 is getting added to each term. So my new average will be equal to what? Old average. What I'm adding? 3 is
3.
added. So old average plus 3. Old average plus 3. All right. So that's why it will be 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. All right. So the answer is what? What is the answer?
27.
27 is the answer. Is that clear now? I hope it's clear. Now it is clear. Okay. All right. So let's move to the question. What's the answer for this question? Soch by Subhash. I have sent the link again. Please join if you want to. I have done something. You are writing, please do something. I have done something.
I am option D.
All right. Now onwards, people, those who are replying. So please wait for a while. Let others also answer it. All right, Vikash. Or you can chat. Instead of saying, you can chat so that others also understand. Yes, answer is 168. Fairly simple. The average of 8 number is 21. The average of 8 number is 21. Do I know the 8 numbers this time? No. But I know old average. Old average is equal to what? 21. So if old average is 21, if each of the number is multiplied by it, the average of the new set of number is what? So this is 21 into 8. 21 into 8 is 168. All right, so that's the answer. Okay, yeah, fine. So let's move to the next one. here is the next question. Those who are unable to join through link which I'm sending again and again on the chat, the YouTube chat, do one thing, do copy paste. Maybe that link is not highlighting. So try once copy pasting. Okay, got the answer for this one? And I'll tell you the shortcut logical method, but first of all, I want to know the answer. All right, 120, yeah, many of you have got it. Fine, I'll just wait for a minute more. Let others also solve it. I'm trying to figure out something so that I can help others. Yeah, okay, I'm trying to make it 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Just a minute, people. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to help people in a way. So, all right, fine. Let us solve this question and then I'll try to do something about that link. I understood what to do. I'll try. So the average score of a batsman in 5 matches is 80 and that of the first 4 matches is 70. Find his score in 5th match. So I hope you would have done in similar way, in some way. The average score of a batsman in 5 matches is 80. So score in first match plus score in second match plus score in third plus score in fourth match plus score in fifth match, divide by 5, and this is equal to what? This is equal to what? It is equal to 80. All right. Okay, now, and that of the first 4 is 70. So S1 plus S2, that is match score plus in all these 4 matches, divide by 4 is equal to 70. So you see this will be equal to what? Score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4 is equal to 280. So you substitute it here. We'll substitute 280 at this place. So this will give us 280 plus match 5 or score 5. I should have written M, but it's okay. Is equal to 80 into 5, that is 400. And this is 280 plus S5, that is score 5th or match 5th score is equal to 120. Okay, right? Many of you have done in this way. Just give me this question time. In the next question, whenever you people will solve, I'll try to figure out that link thing. Okay, now there is another way to solve this question, right? So how it could be done? So this is like, let's say there are 5 people, right? 5 matches. Instead of 5 matches, I'll take 5 people are there. 5 people, average is what? 80. So M1, M2, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. Let's say everyone has 80, 80, right? Like you remember the very first example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had given everyone 333 rupees. So similarly, when the average is 80, so we will give everybody 80, 80, 80. Now, instead of saying this, well, let's say that there are 5 people and everyone has 80, 80, 80 rupees. All right. Now there it's given that the first 4 is 70. That of the first 4 is 70. It means that I'll just write it little down so that 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. People, please pay attention this time. Okay. So first 4 is 70. So I'll write 70, 70, 70, 70. Do I know fifth person, how much money or how many runs he scored? Do I know that? Do I know that? Right? We don't know, right? So let's say this is X. First 4 people have 70, 70, 70, and the fifth person has X. Now, how you will get this 80? 70 plus 10 is giving you 80, 70 plus 10 is giving you 80, 70 plus 10 is giving you 80, 70 plus 10 is giving you 80. Here our neutralization method is starting, right? This is plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. It means that what should I write here so that this entire part will become 0? This is plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. What should I write in this such that this, when I'll add this rectangle, big rectangle part, it will become 0? What should I write here? If it is plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, it means that I have plus 40. If I have plus 40 here, so can I say if I'll write minus 40 here, this will become equal to 0? All right, this is equal to 0. So now I'll just solve this part. X minus 40 is equal to 80. X minus 40 is equal to 80. It means that X is equal to 120. This method will come very handy, people. You will be able to solve question directly. If it is not clear, let me know. I'll explain again. Basically, we are just looking for the neutralization. Okay, is that clear? Wonder is saying way too clear. Wonderful. How about others? Reply quickly so that I'll move on. So from now onwards, very few questions we will solve in a traditional way, but yeah, most of the question will solve in this way. All right. Now, people, I want you to think logically in one more way. Though this method we are gonna use it, but think logically. Fifth person have got some number. All right. Fifth person have, okay. Fifth person have got some number. Now, because of this, whatever the, okay, let's say 4 people are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, everyone has 70, 70, 70 rupees. Now, whatever fifth person money has, whatever money fifth person has, this person, because of this person's money, everyone 70 rupees is becoming 80 rupees. I repeat, 4 people have 70, 70, 70 each. Now, fifth person is coming in. He is coming in with some money such that everyone's 70 rupees become 80, 80, 80, which means that he is giving 10, 10 to everyone. Think logically. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D are there. There is person E who is coming with some money. We don't know with what money is coming. But when he comes with some money, because of his money, everyone 70 rupees become 80 rupees. It means that this person is giving 10, 10 rupees to others. It means that this person will have 80 plus, this person would have 40 rupees extra with respect to 80. That's why he is able to give this 10, 10, 10 rupees extra. Okay, I just want you to think logical in this one. If it is not getting clear, I'll suggest go with this one. This makes more sense, right? I'll repeat quickly. Flywell, we cannot use this method in the previous question because that question type is different. All right, so we need to see the question type also. Okay, let me go with the second method again. Eric, you can always use you can always use first method, right? But that's what, it's a little lengthy. If you're comfortable using first method, use it. That's perfectly fine. But I'll say that try to understand second method also. So we know that there are 4 matches early. There are 5 matches overall, right? And 5 matches average is 80, 80, 80. So if average is 80, it means that I'll give 80, 80 to everybody. Okay. Also, we know that the first 4 matches score is 70. So this is 70, 70, 70. Now, 70 became 80. It means that plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Now, this plus 10 is how many times? This plus 10 is 4 times. So if this is plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, it means that this is plus 40. So to make it equal to 0, I'll make it as minus 40 here. And let's say that this is X. Score of 5th match is X. So this will become what? X minus 40 is equal to 80. So X is equal to 80 plus 40, 120 is the answer. Okay, super. So let's try one more question. Let me go with this one. We'll come back to other question. Let's try this one. I'm just going on smaller screen because I want to do one thing here. Just try to manage for this question. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct for what you have done for the previous one, Eric. That's absolutely right. But if you are understanding this approach, would be very helpful for other questions. "41 years. Okay, cool. All right, 1 minute. I'm just about to. This is my last try for what? For link. If it is happening, it's happening. Otherwise, I need to speak with other person tomorrow, and then for tomorrow, I'll figure it out. Okay, so just manage today in the similar way. Okay, I have sent one link just now. Try to join with that link. 41 is the answer. Yes, absolutely right. Wonderful. So Eric, again, I hope you would have got the answer. So the average age of 20 students of a class is 20 years. The working, okay. When the age of class teacher is also included, the average age of the whole class increases by 1 year. This is 1. The age of the class teacher is what? So the average age of summation age of 20 student. I'm so sorry, Mahmoudal. I have sent it like 2-3 times. I'm really sorry for today. Just manage for today. Tomorrow I'll see what we can do differently. Okay, day after tomorrow. So average of 20 student of a class is 20 years. Average age of 20 student, that's sum divided by 20 is equal to what? 20 years. So now summation of age of 20 and one teacher's age is also included plus teacher's age. Now this time it will be 21 people, 20 plus one teacher. So 21 people, and the average also increases by what? 1. So the new average will become 21. All right. So this part, we know that this is equal to 400 plus t by 21 is equal to 21. So 400 plus t is equal to 441, and t is equal to what? 441 minus 400. So your answer is what? 41. This is one method, right? All right, another one. Now let's look at this one. How many students are there? How many students are there? 20 students. And what is the average age? 20. So I'll 20. When teacher in, I don't know the age of teacher. But when teacher comes in, everyone's age becomes 21. Even teacher's age becomes 21, right? So this 20 became 21. It means that plus 1. This is happening plus 1. Now this plus 1 will happen how many times? How many students are there? How many students are there? 20 students. So plus 1 into 20. This will be plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, so on, up to 20 students. So what should I write here? What should I write here such that this part will become 0? What should I write here? This is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, 20 times. So what should I write here so that this part becomes 0? Minus 20. So this is minus 20. So x minus 20 is equal to 21. X is equal to 41. 41 is the answer. Is that clear? Flywell and few others want me to explain method 1. So I assumed age of 20 student as the summation of the age of 20 student is summation of this. And how many students are there? 20 students. That's why denominator is 20 and the average is 20. Now, when the age of teacher is included, the average of the whole classes. So teacher is new person. So summation of the age of all these people will be summation of the age of 20 people plus teacher's age, which I'm denoting by T. And this time it will be 21 people, 20 students plus one teacher. All right. So 21, and the average age also increases by 21. Also increases by 1. So this is 21. 21 into 21 is 441, and this is 20 into 20 is 400. So I'll substitute in this place 400. 400 plus t. Now solve it. I hope it is clear. Flywell. People, if I have to do logically this question, think, listen to this carefully. 20 students are there and their average age is also 20. Listen. All right, listen. 20 students are there and the average age is also 20. Forget about 20 students. Okay, no, don't forget. Remember. So 20 is the average age right now. But when teacher comes in, average age becomes 21. So 20 became 21. Each student is getting 1 year extra because of whose age? Each student is getting 1 year extra because of whose age? Can you answer this? Each student, from whose age everyone is getting this plus 1? Absolutely, Flywell. So, wonderful. So, each student is getting this plus 1. This plus 1 from whose age? From teacher's age. It means that teacher had distributed how many years? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 to 20 students. It means that teacher's age is what? 21 plus 20. This is what we are doing here. But you can do it orally. You can do it without pen and paper. I hope it is clear. Yes. Okay, let's move on then. Is that clear to everyone who is there in the Zoom meeting? Zoom. Yeah, because people at YouTube will reply after a few seconds. So done. All right. Very clear. Wonderful. Eric, I hope now you got adjusted with this method also. Yeah. Okay. All right. So Jennifer, nice. Saloni, are you there or you left? So fine. Let's move to the next one. Can you answer this question without lifting pen and paper? Okay, Saloni. I hope it is clear. So people at YouTube, people on YouTube, that's Sushmita, Binay, RK, your regular people. Today you're not replying. I hope everything is good at your end and I hope you are understanding. Wonderful, Surjo. That's correct. Got the answer here? I did not get answer on chat here. Asif, can you just check quickly? Okay, let's try to do it orally first. Because check. How many students are there? 24 students, right? 24 students in a class is 10. So the average age is 10. If teacher's age is included, average increases by 1. So 10 becomes 11. Again, this plus 1, I'm trying to do orally. This plus 1 is because of whose age? Because of teacher's age, right? Because of teacher's age, everyone is getting 1, 1, 1. So, okay, this was the old average, but when teacher's age is included, the new average is 11. So even the teacher is also 11 right now. Now, teacher is the one who is giving 1, 1 to each student. So how many students are there? 24 students. It means that teacher would have given 24 from her age, which means that teacher's age is 11 plus 24, 35 is the answer. All right, this is one way. If not this way, then student 1, write Asif. I hope it is clear. Vikash, I hope it is clear. Student 1, 2, 3, so on up to 24 students. So their average age was 10, 10, 10. But when teacher's age included, I don't know what's the teacher's age, but everyone's age is 11, increased by 1. So from where they are getting this 1? From teacher's age. How many plus ones we have here? How many plus ones will have here? How many plus ones? Can you answer? How many plus ones? Flywell. Can you answer, Flywell? How many plus 1? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. How many students are there? 24 students. So how many plus ones will be there? 24. So what should I write here? Minus 24 to make it as equal to 0. So this is x minus 24 equal to 11, x is equal to 35. That's it. I hope it is clear. Cool. Right. Okay. Jennifer, is that clear? Jennifer and Flywell, Wonder replied. I'm sorry. Tasnia, you also reply regularly on YouTube. You reply, but here you are not replying. I don't know why. Okay, let's try this question. 1 minute. Before we try this question, I want you to solve this question. Little different. People, those who are watching this YouTube later on, YouTube video later on, it's for those people. I'll say try to come at 2 o'clock, because what happens, there is a difference when you are attending live. and when you are going through the recordings. Moreover, if you are coming on time 2 to 4, it's like you are setting some time for yourself, for your learning preparation. You're keeping some time aside. So when you're keeping some time aside, it shows some kind of dedication, which is 100% gonna help you. Okay, so this is for those people who watch videos little later, but I do understand maybe because of some time issues. I'm just saying, just try in case if you can. Okay. What's the answer for this one? Emmanuel. Good. Seeing you for the first time here. Anybody got the answer? Nishat, Bikash, and Eric, Flyville, Jennifer, Saloni, Wonder, 29. Somebody replied on Mahamudul replied. Okay. So this is just ulta of what we were. Okay, I hope you understand ulta. I'm sorry. That's a Hindi word. I'm sorry, people, those who don't understand. Ulta means just a reverse way. Old average is not here, right, Bikash? No problem. So a batsman makes a score of 87 runs in 17th inning. How many innings are there? I1, I2, I3, so on up to 17th inning. In 17th inning, he scored 87 runs and thus increases his average by 3 runs. And thus increases his average by 3 runs. So like Bikash is saying, we don't know the average. We don't know the average from we don't know the average of 16th inning. Yes, absolutely. So we'll take X if X is the average. So I got one answer correct. Soch by Subhash, that's absolutely right. Wonderful. So XXX was the old average. Now, when he scores 87 runs, what happens? His average increases by 3. When he scores 87 runs, his average increases by 3. Right? It means that this is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Now, this plus 3 will be how many times? Can you answer this now? This plus 3 is how many times? No, Bikash. What is this? I1, I2, I3, so on, up to 16. So this plus 3 is how many times? Ignore this. Just look at this. Because at the last one, I have to do neutralization to make it 0. So this plus 3 is happening. What is the last number I have written here? 16, right? 17th inning, he scored 87 runs. So if this inning has to give 3 runs to each inning, it will give to the 16 innings. So it will be plus 3, how many times? 16 times. So plus 3 into 16 is equal to what? 48, right? So if this is 48, it means this is what? Minus 48. So 87 minus 48 will give you equal to what? 39. So 39 is new average. Okay. Sarvagya Mishra, we are not sure whether calculator can be used or not, because last time at the end, they have got some another announcement. So what we people are doing is we are preparing for hoping for the best, preparing for the worst. All right. I hope I have answered your question for can we use calculator or not. So we are not sure yet. So did you understand this question, people? Question number 3. Or if you want me to repeat, I'll repeat quickly. How many innings are there? A batsman scores 87 runs in 17th inning. It means that there are 17 innings for sure. There are 17 innings for sure. In 17th inning, he is scoring 87 runs. And thus because of this 87, thus by increasing average by 3. So we don't know what was the old average. So we have taken X was the old average. Till 16th inning, X was the old average. Now, from 87, this plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will be there. This 87 is giving 3 runs to every inning. Till how many innings? Till 16th inning. All right. Such that new average becomes X plus 3. So if I'm writing plus 3 here 16 times, that is plus 3 into 16 is 48 plus 48. To neutralize it, to make it 0, I'll write minus 48. So this is plus 48 minus 48. That's where I get 0. I need to solve this part. I want to calculate this value. So 87 minus 48 will give me, this is new average. So new average is 87 minus 48, 39. 39 is the answer. All right, Mahamudul, Bikash, is that clear? Bikash, is that clear now? Nishat, is it clear now? Saloni, Nishat, Wonder. Clear? Wonderful. Thank you, Flyville. Okay, fine. Eric, I hope it's clear. Fine. Let's solve this question now. Little different, but similar concept. None of these. Okay. Now tell me one thing. The question is the average marks of a class of 20 students is 40. Very good, Asif. 20 students is 40. It was found later then the marks of 2 students were entered as 48 and 40 instead of 8 and 12. So can I say this is correct one? But they have added this, which is incorrect. Right? Because of this, this 40. Because of this, 40 is incorrect average. All right. And that's where we need to find correct average. Right? I hope this point is clear. Now, understand. They were supposed to add 8 and 12, but they have added 48 and 40. It means that they have added extra. And because of since they have added extra, they got extra average. Their average is also extra, right? So it means that we need to subtract. Now what we need to do? They were supposed to add 8 and 12. That is, they were supposed to add 20. But what they added 48 and 40. They added 88. They were supposed to add 20, but they have added 88. Supposed to add 20, supposed to add 20, but added 88. Supposed to add 20, but added 88. So can I say they have added 68 extra? Agree? They have added 68 extra. Make sense? They were supposed to add 20, but they have added 88. It means that they have added 68 extra. Now this 68 extra got divided amongst, this 68 got divided amongst 20 students. So 68 by 20, it means that every student is getting what? 3.4 extra. Very good. I hope it is clear. So we need to subtract extra from what? From 40. So correct average is equal to what? Wrong average minus extra average. So wrong average was 40 and extra is 3.4. How you are getting this 3.4? Because of the 68. As they have written 68 extra, every student got 3.4 extra. So that's why the answer is 36.6. I hope it is clear. Yeah, many of you have answered it on YouTube and on chat here also. In case if anybody wants me to explain again, let me know. I'll wait for another 30 seconds before we move to another question. Let's re-look to the question. 20 students average. I repeat. 20 students average. It's same thing, Bikash. How you got 800? Or you have taken 20 by, okay, you are using that method. That's all right. Fine, no problem. You can do that way also. But I am doing in little shorter way. So 20 students, average is 40. They were supposed to add, okay, Flavel, this is for you. Mahmudal, this is for you also. So 20 students, average is 40. It was found later than the marks of 2 students were entered 48 and 40. So they have added 48 and 40 instead of 8 and 12. So they were supposed to add 8 and 12, but they added 48 and 40. They were supposed to add 20, but they have added 88. It means that they have added 68 extra. So now the 68 is number. 68 number extra. So now the 68 will get divided amongst how many people? Amongst 20 people. It means that everybody is getting 3.4 extra. So the correct average is what? 40 minus 3.4, 36.6. Right, one more way, what Vikash is saying, I'll explain you that one also. So that's traditional method, but like I told you, I will use logic in this type of questions. So average marks of 20 students. So I'll write it here. Summation of the marks of 20 student divided by 20 is equal to 400. So summation of the mark is equal to 800. But what happened? Summation of the marks, they were supposed to add 8 and 12, but they have added 48 and 40. So 48 and 40 needs to be subtracted because they have added this. They were supposed to add this, but they have added this. Divide by 20. And we know this is equal to 800. So 800 plus 20 minus 88 by 20. 800 plus 20 is 20 minus 88 is 68. 868 by 20. So you will get what? This is not giving you answer. Oh, minus it is. Yeah. 800 minus 68. 800 minus 68. So that's equal to 732. By 20 will give you 36.6. So this is one more method if you just want to look at it. Okay. But I'll say if logic is getting clear, go with that. But yeah, anyway, if you're clear with the question and if you're clear with the method to use, answer matters the most. Okay, let's move on. This you try. This is easy one. You would have solved this already, but let's just do it for the sake of doing it. Fine, Hasnat. Go with that logic, no problem. Whatever you are understanding, take that. But just see which method will give you quicker answer. So if you're finding any method difficult, but it is giving you quicker answer, try to practice that. Like I was listening to one video only, yeah. So it is like there are two things, you can avoid or you can take action. So what you want to do, okay? You want to take action for that or you want to just avoid it? That's up to you. Not only in this, it applies in general way also. When it comes to the preparation of your exam, if there is something which is bothering you, that okay, if some type of procrastination is there, so at that time what you are doing, what step are you taking up, that matters most. Go with the regular method in this one. People took long time. I hope I'm audible. $31. Okay. So the average weight of Chris, Brian, and Alvin is 45 kgs. So divide by 3 is equal to 45. If the average weight of what? I cannot. If the average weight of Chris and Brian is 40 kgs, so C plus B, whose weight we need to calculate? Brian's weight. Okay. So C plus B by 2 is equal to 40 and B plus A by 2 is equal to what? 43. So from here, we'll get C plus B is equal to 80. And from here, we will get B plus A or A plus B is equal to 86. We need to calculate B's weight. So you can solve this two equation, two variable. All right, how we will do this? We'll eliminate B as of now. Can we eliminate this? What I'm doing? Oh no, sorry. And if I add this two, if I add these two, let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. If I'll add 2 and 3, I'll get C plus A plus B is equal to what? 80 plus 86, that is 166. So do I know this value from equation 1? A plus B plus C or C plus B plus A is 45 into 3, that is 135. So we know this value is 135 plus B is equal to 166. So B is equal to 166 minus 135. Your answer is 31. Right, answer is 31. Okay. I hope, Hasnat, it's clear now. I hope it's clear, people. So yeah, for this type of questions, there is no shortcut you have because these are like equation wise. So we have to solve the equation. And I hope it is clear. Fairly simple, your traditional method. People are giving me all answers. So I hope 31 is clear to everyone. Fine. Okay. Let's try this question. We'll come back to other question little later. 1 minute. Let me see if I have some other question. Fine. All right, let's solve this one. Anyone got the answer? Surjo, you haven't replied from long time. Surjo, Vinay is not there today apparently. Okay. Sushmita, Sandilia. Okay. Anybody 34? Asif, I think answer is 30. Okay. Let's understand one thing here, people, before we solve this question. Esrat, we will do it. We'll work on it. Okay. I read your comment and just practice more and more. Remove this fear from your mind. I'll talk to you something at the end. Just make sure that you are there at the end of the session also. So 10, 20, 30. Let's say there are 3 people, person 1, person 2, person 3. And their ages are 10, 20, 30. All right. People understand again another concept. 10, 20, 30. Now what happens? This person goes out. This person goes out. And another person comes in. And he is 33 kg now. This person is getting replaced by new person. Person 3 is replaced by new person. Okay. So if this is 33, let other 2 will be same. 10, 20. This person 3 is getting replaced by new person. And his weight is 33. So what will be average now? What is the average now? Average is what? 10 plus 20 plus 33 by 3. And this is equal to what? 63. 63 by 3 is equal to what? 21. So the average is 21. Now try to understand what point I'm trying to tell you here. As compared to this person, as compared to person 3, the new person is getting 3 kgs extra. Now when he's getting this 3 kgs extra, this 3 kg, when we have to take average, this 3 kg will get equally distributed to 1, 1, 1. This 3 kg will get divided amongst 3 people as 1, 1, 1. Thus the average became what? 20 becomes 21. Is that clear so far? Can you reply quickly? Because I'll let you know that. Can you reply for this question? A person whose weight, okay, I repeat, a person whose weight was 30 kgs, he goes out and another person comes in whose weight is 33 kgs. So as compared to this person, can I say he's getting 3 kgs extra? All right, I'm repeating. Fine, let me just rewrite. 10, 20, 30. Now, this is another concept of replacing a new person. All right. This person going out and another person coming in. The person who is coming in, he's 33 kg. Okay. Before I move to this, let's say this one. What is the average for 10, 20, 30? What is the average? What is the average? Ignore this part. What is the average for 10, 20, 30? What is the average for this series? Come on, quickly. You know that. 20, right? Average is 20. Now 10, 20. This is replacement is happening. This person is going out and another person coming in who is also 30 kgs. 30 kg. Will be there any change in average? Will be there any change in average? If the person who's 30 kgs going out and another person who is 30 kgs in weight coming in, would there be any change in average? Yes, no. No change, right? Average will remain same. But if another person is of 33 kg, if another person is 33 kg, will be there any change this time? 10 plus 20 plus 33 by 3, that is 63 by 3. It became 21 now. This became 21. Average became 21. Right? Agree, Jennifer? Did you understand so far? People reply, please. Yeah, I'll repeat. Okay, people understand. This is very important. Okay, because another 2-3 question will be based on this. Saloni, let's say Saloni weighing 30 kgs goes out. Sonal weighing 33 kgs comes in. So will be there any weight change in average or not, Saloni? You go out, I come in, right? And my weight is 33, your weight is 30. So it means that as compared to the before scenario, I am getting 3 kgs extra to the group. Makes sense now? I am bringing 3 kgs extra to the group. It means that that 3 kg will get divided amongst 3 people as 1, 1, 1. That's why the average from 20 will become 21. Is that clear? Little bit. Let me take one more example. 10, 20, 40. 10, 20, 43. What will be new average? Old average. What is old average? Tell me what is old average. What is old average? Let's look at from the example. Hasnat, that was just for example. Old is 20, 40 plus 10. Old is 10, 20, 70, 70, 30, 70. 10, 20, 40 is 70, right? 70 by 2. No, 70 by 3. 70 by 3 is not 21. 23.3. 70 by 3 is 23.3. And this is 73 by 3. 10 plus 20 plus 43. 10 plus 20 is 30, 43, 73 by 3 will give you 326. And this is not 23 by 3, I guess. Or is it 20 by 3, 70 by 3? Yeah, this is 3 2s are 6, 1 carry forward, 23. And this will be 24.3. All right, new average is 24.3. So Subhash, I'm trying to explain one concept here. I'm not talking about this question. If you understand the concept, the question will become very simpler. So try to understand the concept. You can do with traditional way, that's not a problem. So this is 23.3 and this is 24.3. This plus 1 is because of this 3 kgs extra. Right, let's take one more example. 10, 20, 46. 46, what's the average this time? What's the average this time? 10, 20, 46. What's the average this time? 76 by 2. 76 by 3. 76 by 3 will give you what? 25.3. All right, 25.3. Fine. Okay, one more. 10, 20, 49. This time your average will be 26.3. Okay, now try to understand from this example, Jennifer, Saloni, and others. Try to understand. 10, 20, 40 average was 23.3. All right. When the new person whose weight was 43 comes in, his weight is 3 kg extra as compared to this person. This person is getting replaced. This person is getting replaced every time. So when 40, the person whose weight is 40 is getting replaced by new person, 43. This person is bringing 3 kgs extra. It means that this 3 kg will divide equally amongst 3. So the average 3 divided by 3, it will give you +1. And hence you see the average increased by +1. Let's look at this one. 40, it's getting replaced by 6. It means that 6 extra. Now this 6 will get divided amongst 3 people. So 6 by 2, sorry, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is equal to what? +2. That's why you see 23.3 became 25.3. 10, 20, this 40, the person whose weight is 40 going out and is replaced by a new person 49. The person whose weight is 40 goes out and the person is coming in whose weight is 49. So as compared to the previous person, he is 9 kgs extra. All right, so this 9 kg needs to be divided amongst 3 people. So 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So hence you see this 23.3 plus 3 extra became 26.3. Is that clear little bit now? We'll see that question later, but let's understand this concept. Jennifer, is that clear? Saloni, is that clear? Now answer one question. Super. Wonderful. Answer this question. 10, 20, 30 I'll take. What is the average here? 10, 20, 30. What is the average? People on YouTube, is it getting clear? What is the average? 10, 20, 30. What is the average? We have already seen it is 20. Average is 20. Average is 20. Now this person is getting replaced and person weight is 36. So with respect to this person, how many kgs is he bringing extra? So what will be new average? 6, right? It means that 6 need to be divided amongst 3 people. 6 by 3. It means that +2. So average is 20 plus 2, 22. All of you got that, right? Okay, one more. 10, 20, 27. Same thing. Let me use one blank sheet. Fine, let me use this. 10, 20, 30 we have seen. 10, 20, 36. This average was 20 and here the average you got 22. Okay, now this 10, 20, 30, this person is getting replaced by another person, 27. So average here is 20. What will be new average? New average. What will be the new average? What will be the new average? You can do that. 10 plus 20 plus 27, 57 by 3 is equal to 19. But now what I want you to understand is 30 with respect to 27 with respect to 30, it is -3. This -3 need to be divided amongst 3 people. So -3 by 3 is equal to -1. So new average is what? 20 minus 1. That is 19. Did you understand? Did you understand? Okay, fine people. Now I'll little tweak the question. Okay, wonder what is happening. This time the person who is coming in is lesser in weight. The person who is coming in is lesser in weight. Therefore, the average will also reduce. So 20 will become like here we were adding plus 6 by 3, right? Because this plus 6 extra will get divided amongst 3 people. So 6 by 3 is giving you 2. That was plus 2. So you were adding it up. But here this is minus 3 because 30 became 27. This is minus 3. It means that average is reducing by 1. So 20 minus 1. Now I'll move to one question. I'm writing one question for you. There are 5 people in the group. All right, there are 5 people in the group. Average, when one of them weighing 30 kg replaced by new person, the average increases by 2 kg per person. What is the weight of new person? Can you answer this? Just a small tweak in this question. And then we'll move to remaining questions. Yeah. Can you answer this? Wonder, I hope previous one is clear. 40. Awesome. Wonderful. Good, Flywell. Good, Bikash. I'm so happy to see your answer. Awesome, people. How many people are there in the group? 5 people. Person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When one of them weighing 30 kg, so this person 30 kg, he goes out. Another person comes in. I don't know the weight. This is just reverse of the previous question again. I don't know this weight, but what I know that this person is bringing 2 kg for everyone, because the average is increasing by 2 kg. It means that this person got 2 kgs extra. So if this person got 2 kgs extra for everyone, it means that he got 10 kgs extra. If he got 10 kg extra, it means that it became 40 now. Awesome, people. Many of you have replied. Wonderful. So now, did you understand why the regular method, why I'm focusing on this logical method rather than regular method? You can solve it with equation. It's one and the same thing happening. What you need to do, summation of, people just go with this if it is getting clear, because I really don't want to make equation. I will take more time to make equation rather than solving the logical way. If you want the equation way, write it down. I'll make equation in the next class. And then when we will do the revision of this topic, in that class, I'll let you know by equation also, in case if you really want it. Saloni, is that clear now? Saloni, Eric, Tasnia, Patricia, Nishat. Is that clear? Yes, super. Okay, all right, super, fine. So now try. Now I think so you will get the answer of this question. Let me erase entire story here. Whatever is this, let me erase it. Is that clear? Mahmudul Surjo, after a long time you replied, Surjo. Subhash. I hope it is clear, Subhash. So Hasnat, for your question, I will give you one email ID. You ask this question on that. I think they will give you better reply for what you have asked the question to me. Fine. Okay, people got the answer for this one? Got the answer for this one? The average age of 8 men got increased by 2 years when 2 of them, whose ages are 21 years and 23 years, are replaced by 2 new men. So if the average of 2 new men we need to calculate. Okay, we will calculate that later. So what was happening? 21 and 23. What is 21 and 23? Addition of 21 plus 23. 44. Right? So 44. Now the average age of 8 men got increased by 2 years when 2 of them increased. So what should I add on this? Okay, what do you think if everyone is getting 2 years extra? 8 people are getting 2 years extra. It means that the new person age, two new people age, 2 new people age will be extra by what number? Will be extra by what? That's correct, Surjo. That's correct answer. Come on, people. What happened suddenly? Same thing, no? Instead of weight, it is years. So you don't get confused. Wonderful, Flywell. That's correct. So every person got 2 years extra. So 8 people are the P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P8. That's it. P6, P7, P8. Now out of this were 21 and 23. Let's say these two go out. Another one comes in. Yes, that's right, because another one comes in and they are bringing 2 years extra to everybody. If they are bringing 2 years extra to everybody, it means that they are bringing 16 years extra as compared to the earlier one. So which means that their summation of the age was 60. So but we need to calculate average age of the 2 new men. So average age of 2 new men will be 30. 30 is the answer. Fair enough? Jennifer, is that clear? Please reply if it is clear. Asif, thank you, Asif. Super Saloni. 2 others, very clear now. Wonderful. Okay, I'm happy to see you're clear that, okay, whatever. So this is the way we will solve more questions day after tomorrow when we'll do the practice of this one. Now completely clear, ma'am. Okay, Nishat, we will solve more questions day after tomorrow. You will understand more and more. Okay, this is a regular one. Try to solve this. This is little, it is similar concept. Okay, let's solve this one, 10th one first. Hasna, that's logical method. I never call it a shortcut. It's all logical. You just play with logic, it becomes shortcut. And we get fascinated by shortcut rather than logical. Yeah. So this is again with the tradition. There is one more way to solve this question that I'll tell you next time whenever we will be doing. But as of now, I'll just tell you with the tradition way. You also know that method, I guess. I will come back on this question whenever we'll do one other topic. 21. Okay. How about others? Okay, so the average salary of all the employees in the company is 8,000. Do we know the number of employees? That's the question asked. The total number of employees in the company is what? That's the question. So let's say X are the number of people. So the average, but we know that the average salary of 7 designer is 12,000. Okay, so let's say that X are the total employees and their average salary is what? 8,000. That is summation of the salary by total is equal to 8,000. The average salary of 7 designers. So sum of salary, this signs means sum only. Sum of salary of 7 designers. Okay, let me not write completely. And have written sum of salary of 7 designers by 7, and their average is equal to what? 12,000. The average salary of the rest. So can I say summation of salary of rest? What will be the rest number of people? Can I say X minus 7 will be the rest number of people? All right. X minus 7 will be the rest people is equal to what? Is equal to 6,000. All right. So Surjo, please reply. Meanwhile, I'm solving this question. Please reply what you want me to explain again. Fine. I'll come back to that. So coming to this total salary is 12,000 into 7. That is total salary is combination of this. So 12,000 into 7 plus X minus 7 into 6,000 divide by total number of X, and this is equal to 8,000. Right, you can solve this. This is 84,000. Let me write it here. 84,000 plus 6,000X minus 42,000 is equal to 8,000X. All right, 84,000 minus 42,000 is equal to 42,000, and this is equal to 2,000X. So 1,000 will get cancelled. X is equal to 21. There is one more way to solve this question. Yeah, same thing. 84,000 by 7. How you are doing it? Because, okay, 1 minute. 84,000 by 7 is equal to 12,000. You are going with the assumption. Fair enough. Because that 84,000. Okay. All right. Fine, because that's also correct. This is also correct. I hope that's clear. We need 2,000 to make 8,000 from 6,000. We need 2,000 to make 8,000 from 6,000. Okay. All right, fine. I am reading your method also. There is one more method that I'm telling you from few seconds, that long few seconds, that we will do this one more easy method than this one. Very easy, but maybe tomorrow we'll do it. Okay. I want you to solve one last question. This one. The last question. Go for it. Today I'm not starting a new topic. Tomorrow when we will do the average, as you have already understood the concepts now, so it would be very simpler. It would be very easy for you to apply those concepts into the questions. So tomorrow we'll do more practice on averages, and we may start one more new topic tomorrow. We'll see how time permits. Though the idea was to start it today only, but yeah, I wanted to go a little slowly for averages because I wanted you to understand concept completely. Once you understand completely, any question you can solve. Okay, fine. Let me see how many of you will get the answer of this question. Take your time. Awesome, Asif. Wonderful. Can you type in what you did? So here, if you see, there are 15 people overall, right? There are 15 people overall, 12 plus 3, and their average is 600. Summation of 14 people, salary, okay, 720 minus 3. Right, Asif, that's correct. Good, Bikash. So if I go by standard method, this is 15 is equal to 600 and summation of 14 people's salary and one person's salary is what? 720. So from this, we will get 14 people's salary. That will be what? Oh, this is too lengthy. Plus 720 is equal to 600 into 15, that is 9,000. 9,000 minus 720. 9,000 minus 720 will give you 1,000 minus 720 will give you how much? 680, not 680. 0, 8 and 9, 280. So this will give you 8280, 14 people salary, right? And then this one, what they're saying, when one of the manager whose salary is replaced there. So summation of 14 people salary plus replaced new manager divide by 15 is equal to 580. So you see the calculations are lengthy here. Now, if I want to do directly, 15 people are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 15, 14, 15. Everyone's salary is what? 600, 600. Everyone's salary, because average is 600, right? Everyone's salary is 600. Now one person is 720. So he is already having 120 extra, right? He's having an edge of 120. So this 120, and when new person came, that when new person came, this happened 580. So this is 580. So this is like minus 20, how many times? 15 times, right? Because everyone's number is decreasing. But think about this way. 20 is reducing for how many people? From 600, 580, it means that minus 20 is happening for how many people? For 15 people. It means that minus 20 into 15. Don't take this minus 20. It is 20 into 15. It means that that's 300 will go to that person, new person. So 300 and this extra 120. So this is 420. 420 is the answer. You don't have to do this entire calculation. I'll explain again. I explain again. First of all, 600 became 580. 600 became 580. 600 became 580. It means that 20 is reducing. So this 20 is going to that new person's income, right? So it means 20 into 15. So that 300, and then this person already had 120 extra. So that will also get added up to this person. So that's why answer is 420. All right. So Hasnat, I don't know from where I got this question, but this is not from some book. I take questions from online. So 2 websites you can follow, indiabix.com for your practice. And one more is careerbless.com. All right. Careerbless.com. Fine. I hope it is clear, people. Jennifer Saloni, is that clear? Okay, there is one last question. Let's finish it off this one and then we'll move on. Just last question. I have given here, I'll write it again, indiabix.com and Career Bless. Career Bless. Oh, my handwriting is international. I'm sorry for that. Career BLESS.com. Okay. Fine. Felix, I'll repeat at the end. Okay. I'll repeat. Let's answer this question first. None of these, Lakshmi Prasad. Answer is one of these, apart from none of these. Got the answer? If the ages of these two are excluded, the average age of the remaining player is 1 year less than the average age of the whole team. What is the average age of the team? Okay. So let's say the average age of the team was X. All right. Average age of the team was X. Now I know that one of them is 29-year-old and one of them is 26-year-old. Fair enough. One of them is 26 and one of them is 3 years older. So it means that one of them is 29. If the ages of these two are excluded, the average age of the remaining player is 1 year less than the average age of the whole team. So can I say this is like -1, -1, -1? Right? Fair enough? Right, Subhash. So this -1 is happening how many times? This -1, like if we exclude the average age of these two people, everyone's average is reduced by -1. So it means that X -1. So basically, if you see, this -1 is happening how many times? 9 times. So if it is -9, so on this side, it has to be +9. All right, this has to be +9. So now this is what X plus X. X plus X is what? 2X. 2X plus 9 is equal to what? It is equal to their age. What is their age? What is their age right now? 29 plus 26. 29 plus 26 is 55. So 2X plus 9 is equal to 55. 2X is equal to 55 minus 9. That's 46. So X is equal to 23. Hence, the answer is 23. 23 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Two X plus 9 is nothing but the age of these two people. 2X plus 9 is nothing but the age of these two people. And we know that age of these two people is 29 and 26. That's why we are equating it. And hence the answer is 23. So somebody had doubt in, I don't know for which question. I think it was previous one, this one. So I'll repeat quickly what is happening. Average is 600. let's see this way. Average is 600. Everyone has 600 rupees. How many people are there? 15 people. 1, 2, 3, so on up to 15th people. 600. Now think, what is happening when one of them whose salary was rupees 720 was replaced with a new manager? The average salary of the team went to 580. So it means that the person who is coming in, if the average is reducing to 580, it means that that person's salary, the new person who's coming, his salary will be less than 600 for sure. All right. Now, what will be that person's salary? We need to calculate that person's salary. So this minus 20 is like everybody is giving 20, 20, 20. Everybody is giving 20, 20, 20 to how many people? Sorry, everybody is giving 20, 20. How many people? 15 people. So 15 into 20. It means that he will have 300 for sure from these people all, right? 300, and that 720 extra. So even this 120 will get balanced. So 300 plus 120. Your answer is 420. Okay. Fine, so fine, Subhash, I understand completely that it will take some time. That's why we will be keep on revising it. Okay, it's not like that today we have done it and now after 10 days or like after some days we will come back again. We'll revise these questions. We will revise it tomorrow also. Okay, that's why the revision sessions are there, so that you will get a good hold on all this all this logical thinking way. All right, Subhash, I hope that's clear. So is that clear, people? Whoever is there in the Zoom, can you reply quickly so that we can wind up the session? Tomorrow will be holiday. Yes, Bikash. Tomorrow is holiday and Friday will always be holiday. And now we will meet on Saturday. Okay, fine, Saloni. I like the way you're smiling. You're giving smiley to me. Okay. All right. So people on YouTube, I don't know why they are not replying suddenly. But yeah, so I hope it is clear. Right, Jennifer, is that clear? Thank you, Bikash. Okay, Tasnia, thank you, Tasnia. Wonder and Jennifer, can you reply? Abu, thank you, Abu. Same to you. Okay. All right, Jennifer, from where you people get this? I've understood so far, even the way we will be doing it, you will understand. It might take little time, that's okay. That's okay because the things are new. So perfectly fine. But we will get to it. All right. And like last time, one more thing is please keep continuing your actions. Like please keep taking actions for the questions. Okay, what I mean to say is keep continuously, what I mean to say is keep solving the questions from this website, indiabix.com. And one more is, which one is that? Which one I told you? careerblessed.com. Okay. Suddenly you just come at the end, rest of the session, you don't reply, right? At the end, you come to tell me, thank you, thank you, welcome, whatever, right? But please participate in replying the questions also. All right, don't be a spectator, people, be a player. I'll share one small story and then you people leave on. You people leave quickly. I'll share one small story so that we can end this meeting afterward. So I hope you know all international players. So I am talking about Indian players, Virat Kohli and who's that? Another guy, Rohit Sharma, two international cricket player. So these two players are playing on the ground and they are talking about the strategy, so how they are playing. So they are deciding their strategy on the crease. Right now, there are spectators, there are audience who are like talking, oh, how these two are playing. They don't know how to play, what they are doing, what they should not do, and blah, 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 blah. Right now, think about it. Whose conversation is or whose communication is more valuable? Not only valuable, is creating more impact. It's between Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, or what spectators are saying? What do you think? The communication between Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli is gonna create more impact on their game rather than what spectators are talking. So that's where I will say that don't be spectator, keep replying. And that's why I just keep looking for your answers also. All right. Be a player, get that player spirit. Because as the classes are offline, I don't switch on my video because it takes some internet issue happens and I am unable to see, you are unable to see me, but it's okay. I think by this time I have already got connected with you people. I know who reply, who is not replying, and I keep provoking that person also. Please reply, please reply. So just take a part in it. All right, Sandali, coming to your question, I will say solve more and more question, you will get good to it. Practice, practice, practice. Okay. So things will get easier by the time we will be coming to the end. It's just like second week going on, and I hope you people are doing pretty well. But to do it more better, or like to do it better, we will just go with more practice. Okay, you will see day after tomorrow, you will be able to solve the questions. That's, I'm taking guarantee of that. Okay, all right, people. So thank you so much. Thank you for listening for the last part also, and thank you for bearing with me. Thanks, Atan. We'll see you again day after tomorrow. Okay, take care, people. Bye bye. Have a nice time ahead.